Hey guys, well there, me and Bram have been working on a little game for a few weeks now. It has all been streamed on Twitch and YouTube. I recently switched to streaming on YouTube instead of Twitch, as I feel there are two different communities, and I want to expand my YouTube further than my Twitch. So perhaps every week I will stream for a few hours. For the next few weeks I won't stream, as I am on vacation when this video comes out. So first of all, what is this game about? This game is a 2D top-down RPG game. The idea behind it was having a boss with multiple stages. Bram has been working hard on designing each boss. Each boss would have its own properties and attacks, as well as being able to spawn traps and minions. The way the bosses will work is using trigger events. The way I did it was having a function that requires a HP element, and then using that I can trigger events based on its value. The boss will move using tweens. It uses chain tweens to move from location to location with a delay in between each tween. I will probably change this in the near future, but for now it's a good placeholder. So enough about the boss for now, let's talk about the player. The player is a wizard who wears a blue robe and hat. I'll probably talk more about him in the next devlog, as he is probably going to change a lot in terms of abilities as the game progresses. But for now, we have a basic weapon system where I can switch between two attacks. The first attack is the fireball spell, which just shoots out a fireball, and the other one is overpowered laser beam, which looks very sharp indeed. The player also has a health system. It is quite basic right now, but it works very well. One touch that I thought would be fitting is when the player takes damage, a little heart would be thrown out of him. The way I did that was just by having a particle emitter, and that only gets triggered when the player loses a heart. Bram has been hard at work doing the sprites and the cover art. He is very talented, and I will leave a link in the description to where you can check out his channel. He has done a good job on making a great environment. There are spots on the map which the player will have to avoid to not get damaged. For example, the lava tiles. These are tiles in which the player will take damage at a rate until he gets out the lava tile. The next update will have to do with the combat system. I want to have awesome looking spells with multiple particle effects, perhaps more attacks and spells too. Also have some effects for when the player hits the boss or any minion that we might have. That was it, thanks for watching and goodbye.